Governments around the world spend over $500 billion a year on public transportation. Most of that money runs through systems built in the 1960s. Fixed bus routes that follow the same path whether there's one rider or 50, paratransit programs managed on paper, school buses dispatched by phone. It's one of the last major categories of government spending that hasn't been digitized. VIA is changing that. Riders use an app to request a ride, and smaller dynamic shuttles pick them up close to their location. A sophisticated algorithm aggregates riders in real time, enabling shared rides with minimal detour, better coverage, better service, at lower cost. The city of Arlington, Texas replaced its entire fixed-route bus system with a VIA-powered network. New York City runs all of its school bus operations on VIA's dynamic platform. And that's just the beginning. VIA's software consolidates microtransit, paratransit, school transportation, and non-emergency medical transport into one intelligent operating layer. 713 government customers across 30-plus countries, and they've captured less than 1% of the addressable market. The company went public on the NYSE in September, raising $493 million at a $3.65 billion valuation. Over 90% of revenue comes from government contracts, sticky and recurring. VIA is not just digitizing today's transit, they're building the platform for tomorrow's. VIA just partnered with Waymo to bring autonomous vehicles into public transit networks, starting in Arizona. When cities are ready for AI-routed, autonomous public transportation, VIA is already the operating system.